We often get the question when someone is thinking about applying for Medicaid and they have a significant 401k or IRA or other qualified retirement account, the question is often, should I liquidate that account? And the answer is often not, but sometimes it makes sense to do so. And I'll explain to you kind of the differences. So first of all, under the Florida Medicaid system, if you have a 401k or an IRA that is paying out in essentially regular distributions, we often interpret that to mean the equivalent of the required minimum distributions. So essentially, if you have an IRA or 401k that's paying out regularly, what's interesting about that is the asset itself, it could be hundreds of thousands of dollars or more. That asset becomes invisible as far as determining whether or not someone's eligible for Medicaid. Now, the income you receive from that IRA or 401k or other qualified retirement account, that counts as income, and that might mean money you have to put into a qualified income trust or a pooled trust, which is the subject of another video. But the asset itself can be protected. So typically, if my client is looking for Medicaid to help pay for home health care or assisted living facility care, Medicaid itself is not going to be enough to cover all of their expenses. So it's in their best interest to just have these qualified retirement accounts pay out. And by doing so, we take an asset out of contention from being counted against their eligibility, and we just have to deal with the income. But that's okay. My client needs all the income they can get to live their life and pay for the additional care that whatever Medicaid doesn't cover. Now, the analysis is a little bit different if my client is in a nursing home, because we have this big asset, and if we are just taking income in a nursing home scenario, that level of Medicaid, which is referred to as ICP in Florida, under that scenario, all of your income is going to the facility, except the $130, and there's several other minor exceptions. But essentially, all of your income is going to the facility. So we now are no longer in a position where it is desirable to increase your income. So if we don't want to increase your income, then it might make sense to cash out, and we can protect the money using some of our many other legal and ethical Medicaid planning techniques. So I hope this helps. Thank you.